Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 14th August 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 16 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. As per Skytrax, who has been voted as Best Airline in India 2024? Answer is Vistara. Skytrax's World Airline Awards 2024 has honored Indian airline Vistara as the best airline in India or South Asia 2024 for the fourth consecutive time since 2021. Vistara is ranked 16th in the world's best airline ranking and 8th in Asia's best airlines ranking. Qatar Airways has been voted the world's best airline for the 8th time. Singapore Airlines, which topped in 2023 list, is ranked second, followed by the Emirates at third position. Question number 2. First ever Global Women's Kabaddi League will take place in. Answer is Haryana. The first ever Global Women's Kabaddi League will commence in September 2024 in Haryana. Officially named the Global Pravasi Women's Kabaddi League (GPKL), this groundbreaking tournament will feature female athletes from over 15 countries. It will be organized by the Holistic International Pravasi Sports Association (HIPSA) in partnership with World Kabaddi. Question number 3. What is the name of India's second nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine? Answer is INS Arighat. INS Arighat is the name of India's second nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine, SSBN, which is nearing its commissioning. The INS Arighat, a 6,000-ton submarine built at the Vizag shipyard, the submarine will enhance India's maritime defense capabilities with its advanced features, including 4 launch tubes for K-4 and K-15 missiles. India's first nuclear submarine, INS Arihant, commissioned in 2018. Question number 4. Which state government became India's first to provide cash to girls to buy sanitary napkins? Answer is Madhya Pradesh. The Dr. Mohan Yadav government in Madhya Pradesh has become the first state government in India to provide cash to adolescent girls to buy sanitary napkins. School girls from class 7th to 12th are eligible for these cash benefits. They will get Rs 300 for 1 year. The government has transferred more than 57 crore 18 lakh rupees to more than 19 lakh beneficiary girl students. Question number 5. Which state government has launched the Him Unnati scheme? Answer is Himachal Pradesh. The Himachal Pradesh government has unveiled a new initiative, the Him Unnati scheme, aimed at promoting natural farming across the state. With an allocation of 150 crore rupees, this scheme will bolster the efforts of approximately 1.92 lakh farmers already practicing chemical-free farming on over 32,149 hectares of land. Question number 6. Who was the chief guest at the Platinum Jubilee celebration of the Rajasthan High Court? Answer is Jagdeep Dhankar. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar addressed the Platinum Jubilee celebration of the Rajasthan High Court at Jodhpur on 10th August 2024. The Vice President, who belongs to Rajasthan, was the chief guest of the function held on the premises of the Jodhpur High Court. The High Court of Judicature for Rajasthan came into existence on 29 August 1949. Total strength of the Rajasthan High Court is 50, including the Chief Justice. Question number 7. Which institute topped at the 9th National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) report? Answer is IIT Madras. The Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Madras, has retained its top spot in the recently released 9th National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) 2024 report. IIT Madras retained its first position in the overall category for the sixth consecutive year, from 2019 to 2024. IIT Madras was followed by Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and IIT Bombay. Question number 8. Which university topped at the 9th National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) report? Answer is IISc Bangalore. The Ministry of Education has announced the National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF) 2024 on 12 August. The Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, ranked as the best university in the country, followed by Jawaharlal Nehru University, Delhi, and Jamia Millia Islamia. The Anna University has topped as state public university in India, followed by Jadavpur University, West Bengal. Question number 9. Who has received India's first small and medium real estate investment trust license? Answer is Property Share. Property Share became the first fractional ownership platform to receive India's first small and medium real estate investment trust license from the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. In March 2024, SEBI introduced SEBI Rate Amendment Regulations 2024 by making amendments to the Real Estate Investment Trusts 2014. Question number 10. Who took charge as the MD and Chairman of NHPC Limited? Answer is Raj Kumar Chaudhary. On 7 August 2024, Raj Kumar Chaudhary took charge as the Chairman and Managing Director of National Hydroelectric Power Corporation, NHPC Limited. The post of CMD is lying vacant after Abhay Kumar Singh retired on 31 August 2022. NHPC Director Finance Rajendra Prasad Goyal was given additional charge in place of Abhay Kumar Singh. Question number 11. Who was conferred with the Distinguished Fellow Award at the 2024 Directors Conclave? Answer is Vivek Kumar Devangan. Vivek Kumar Devangan received Distinguished Fellow Award at the 2024 Directors Conclave and 34th IOD Annual Day in recognition of his outstanding leadership and contribution to infrastructure development. Union Minister of State for Law and Justice Arjun Ram Meghwal presented the award to Devangan, praising his dedication and innovation in driving the success of REC Limited and strengthening India's global position in the energy sector. Question number 12. Paul Kagame has been sworn in as the President of which country? Answer is Rwanda. On 11 August 2024, Paul Kagame has been sworn in for a fourth term as Rwanda's president after winning 99% of the vote in last month's election. He is a Rwandan politician and former military officer who has been the president of Rwanda since 2000. He was previously a commander of the Rwandan Patriotic Front, RPF, a rebel armed force which invaded Rwanda in 1990. Question number 13. Who recently became the youngest Disney legend at D23 Expo? Answer is Miley Cyrus. Miley Cyrus has made history as the youngest star to receive Disney legend status. Miley's status exploded after she starred in Disney Channel's Hannah Montana when she was 13. From there, Miley built a successful music career, and now, the 31-year-old superstar was honored as the youngest Disney legend at the D23 Expo. Question number 14. How many climate-resilient seed varieties were unveiled by PM Modi on August 2024? Answer is 109. On 11th August 2024, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has introduced 109 new seed varieties designed to be high-yielding, climate-resilient, and biofortified. Developed by the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, these seeds cover 61 different crops, including both field and horticultural varieties. The goal of this initiative is to boost farm productivity, enhance nutritional quality, and improve the income of farmers. Question number 15. Which flowering shrub recently added to the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species? Answer is Neelkurinji. The Neelkurinji, Strobilens kuntiana, a remarkable flowering shrub native to the montane grasslands of southwest India, has recently been added to the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List of Threatened Species. This iconic plant, known for its mass blooming once every 12 years, has been classified as vulnerable according to the IUCN criteria. Question number 16. India and which country have signed an MoU for the launch of Munal satellite? Answer is Nepal. The Ministry of External Affairs and New Space India Limited, NSIL, the commercial arm of ISRO, have signed a Memorandum of Understanding to facilitate the launch of Nepal's Munal satellite. The Munal satellite, an indigenous project developed by the Nepal Academy of Science and Technology, NAST, aims to create a vegetation density database of Earth's surface. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.